So we have Adam in line, and back behind Adam is Beth. And there's people in front of Adam. I'm going to call that X. And there's people between Adam and Beth. I'm going to call that Y. And then the number of people behind Beth is Z. And we're asked to find how many people in the line are behind Beth. So we're trying to find Z. Now, before we get to our clues, it tells us if the number of people in front of Adam, which is X, plus the number of people behind Beth, Z, is 18. So I can use that in both clues. All right, so X plus Z is 18. I'm trying to find Z. So let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says there are a total of 32 people in the line. Well, that would be number of people in front plus number of people in between plus number of people behind Beth plus Adam and Beth, which is 2. That gives me 32. So that's X plus Y plus Z equals 30. Okay? And do I know anything else? Oh, yeah, we know X plus Z is 18, and there's an X and a Z. So X plus Z is 18, that's Y plus 18 equal 30, and that's Y equal 12. But I'm trying to find Z, so that doesn't help me. So look at clue 2. 23 people in the line are behind Adam. 23 people behind. So that would be Y plus Z plus Beth is 1, and that is 23. So it's Y plus Z equals 22. So I know this information, and I know this information. So I've got 3 variables, X, Y, and Z, in 2 equations, so I can't solve that. So 2 doesn't work. But if you put both together, we know Y is 12, so I can plug that in right there and then solve for Z. So that means together my answer is C.